Hello everyone and welcome to Naples Motorsports. My name is James Seeley and today we are going to talk to you about what most people call the best bang for the buck performance car on the market, and a lot would say you don't even have to throw in the best bang for the buck anymore. This is a 2015 Corvette Z06, Z06 to some. This vehicle has the Z07 Performance Pack. As you saw our cameraman just zoom in, the carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber throughout, and then also rear spoiler, all part of the Z07 package. You also do have carbon ceramic brakes as well. Vehicle stops amazing. Another thing most people would say is this is the best Corvette ever made. 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. This particular example has the 7-speed manual transmission. I love the lines on the car. I've always loved the Corvette. I do personally think this is the best as well. This Z07 package with the suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, you can drive this thing to the track, on the track, and home very comfortably. Adjustable rear spoiler, depending on what kind of settings you're in. It's a car that you can drive as daily driver, but obviously take to the track, drive aggressively, and have a great time. I love the convertible in this as well. It's nice to have the Z06 in the convertible package, as most people know. That was not offered in the past. Moving to the interior, great interior. Fit and finish is much better than it ever has been. Variety of different modes. You can go from track to sport. Also little things like being access to Pandora and having a great infotainment center. Steering wheel controls keep everything safe. Can control most of it from the actual inside of the car. Obviously, steering wheel controls, we can go and change here in the center console. Check 0 to 60 times. Just a lot of fun things that you can do with this. Volume control, radio controls, cruise control, everything right here. You can even cheat. We'll get my cameraman to zoom in here. A lot of people don't like this, the purist. Rev match, you can click rev match and it makes it like you are the perfect driver. When you downshift, it automatically takes the RPMs to exactly where you want it. We're going to do exhaust now. Vehicle's nice and warmed up. We'll give you a little taste of that. The Z06, 6.2 liter supercharged exhaust. All right, we're going to step out now. We're going to take a look at that 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Don't walk to the front and try to open it. If I'd done that, you've been making fun of me. Amazing motor, absolutely amazing motor. 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque, supercharged, instantaneous response. You can literally drive this car in most settings in third gear and never have to get out of third gear. Once again, it was a pleasure talking with you today about another wonderful automobile that we have here at Naples Motorsports. I'd be happy to tell you more about it, take you on a test drive. You can reach me directly at 239-351-0037. James Seeley, Naples Motorsports. See you soon.